welcome back to the Sweet Sarah Candle YouTube channel, and today I wanted to share with you the fastest method that I've found of cleaning wax out of pitchers and off of metal spoons. Before we get started with the video, I just want to let you guys know I'm having a Black Friday sale over on my website. I have a link down below if you want to check out my candles and wax melts. Now back to the video. So I've got 3 pitchers here with some different colors and different amounts of wax, and I've got some really dirty spoons. And the method I'm going to show you guys has saved me so much time, because in the beginning of my candle making journey, I would spray isopropyl alcohol and go through like 50 paper towels to get this out, and it wastes money, it wastes time. So the method that I have is super fast, it saved me a lot of time. Let's get right into it. So my method, you need a heat gun or a hair dryer, but I recommend a heat gun. Anything that's candle and wax melt making, you're probably going to need a heat gun eventually. It's just such a versatile tool. You also need some paper towels and a long, I use the end of my spoon typically. You'll see why I'm talking about this. But basically, after we have done the method, we can use the tip of this to go into our pitchers to not burn ourselves after we use our heat gun. So what I do is I'll get my pitcher and I'll lay it on my surface, and I'll use my heat gun like I'm melting the top of a candle or something. I basically just want to get all the wax melted. You want to be very careful in this process as well, because the sides of your metal pitcher will be getting hot, so just keep a hold on your handle. So now that I've got my wax melted, I will pour a majority of it out. I'll put a paper towel in my garbage can and just pour out a majority of the liquid. So now that I've poured out the majority, that will come out. I use a heat gun one more time. Now what I do is I will take my paper towel, put it into the top like this. Be careful not to touch the sides. And this is what I was saying, you need some kind of stick. I use my metal spoon, so it's long enough to get to the bottom. And this is going to act as our hand so we don't get burned. So I'm just going to spin it around and kind of just go up on the side. Turn it a little bit. So it's got fresh paper towel. But after you do this, after a while, you'll get more and more used to it. And go up on the side. And then I can put this up like this. Take it out. And you've got a clean metal pitcher in probably less than 2 minutes. I'm actually going to time myself on the next one so you guys can see just how little amount of time this actually takes. So let's do, which one's more messy? Let's do this brown one. I'm going to set a timer on my phone right here, just to show you guys the full process, uncut, of me cleaning this out. So I'm going to start my stopwatch and start melting. I'm going to pour the extra into the garbage can over some paper towels. Again, one more time. Paper towel. Stick it in the top. And press it down. There we go, in 2.5 minutes. So next I wanted to show you guys how I clean off my metal spoons. I think this one has in-bed wax on it, so it's got really hard, annoying wax on it. So it's a very similar method. I take my heat gun and I hold way down on the spoon so I'm not getting any heat on me. I've actually never burned myself on the actual heat gun, but I've burned myself touching like the part of the metal pitcher or like the metal spoon. So just keep it away from you. And I put a paper towel down in case anything drips. You can see how quick it's already melting. Then I'll take a paper towel and just wipe it down. And that was clean in less than 1.5 minutes. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I know as small business owners and crafters, we want to save as much time as possible because we don't want to be cleaning stuff. We want to get to the fun stuff like the crafting. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please comment down below any more questions that you have. If I have any more candle making hacks that I can share with you guys, just let me know down below. Please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and check out my Black Friday sale if you want to check out my candles and wax melts. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next Thursday.